Real smart people are making money every single month on YouTube using other people's video. You probably didn't know this is possible. Well, I'm about to hand it over to you in a few minutes. Just stay with me to the end and you're going to be glad you did. Did you know you can use other people's YouTube videos to earn hundreds of dollars every single month from YouTube? This is a strategy only a few people know and use, where you download another person's video, upload it on your own channel, get views, and start making money from those videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you what Creative Commons is. I'm going to show you how to identify if a video is Creative Commons or not. I will show you places where you're going to get these videos absolutely free. I will share quick tips that will help you get the best results so you don't have copyright claims on your videos. And finally, I'm going to demonstrate exactly how to get these videos. We're going to look for these videos using a computer, and I'm also going to show you exactly how to find these videos using your smartphone. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you one secret website nobody has ever told you about that is going to help you to get this result really quick. So are you ready to make money from YouTube? Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time we publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. Did you know you can use other people's YouTube videos to earn hundreds of dollars every single month from YouTube? This is a strategy only a few people know and use. Now you are saying, is it not stealing? Will they not later lay copyright claim on the video? No, it's not stealing, and no, there won't be copyright issues if you follow the exact guide I'm going to share with you in this video. Look at what YouTube has to say about Creative Commons videos. By marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. So you see, this is a legitimate and sweet way to make money without lifting a pin. Now you are saying, okay, how do I go about it? One amazing thing about these Creative Commons videos is that most of them are doing well. You see those videos with 100,000, 500,000 views, 1 million, 5 million, 10 million views. It tells you that this is something people are interested in. So if you get them and reuse them, you're bound to get a lot of views, which is equal to a lot of money. Now, the next question is, how do I find those videos? How do I even know that this is a Creative Commons video? Let me show you. To find Creative Commons videos using your computer, all you need is head over to YouTube and type the keyword you are looking for. It could be food, cars, waterfall. So I'm going to search waterfall. Once you type the keyword here, you click on search and click on filter. So you click on filter and then come down here under feature and click on Creative Commons. So once you click on Creative Commons, all those videos you see here are all Creative Commons videos. And if you look at this, you see this is 1.3 million. These are videos you can download right now, edit them, and go on to use them to make money on YouTube. To further make sure that this video is Creative Commons video, let's go on and open one of them. As a smart person, you actually need to go for those ones that have gotten a whole lot of views. This one here is 215,000 views, and this below is 1.3 million. So as a smart person, you need to go for those ones that are already doing well with millions of views. So let's open this video now. We're going to see if it's a truly Creative Commons video. To do that, all you need is come over here at the description of this video and click on this button that says more. So you scroll down to the bottom of the video and you see that right here. It says license, Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. So that is to say you can actually download this video and reuse it. Once the video starts getting views, you start making money with this video. Now, let's go on and experiment using our phone, because I know a lot of us are using our smartphone. All you need is head over to YouTube. To do is open YouTube and come to the search bar here, type the keyword what you're looking for. I'm looking for waterfall. So I'm going to click on waterfall and search. Once it opens, click on this button here and then select search filters. Then if you look here under features, you are going to see Creative Commons. So select Creative Commons and click on apply. All these videos here are Creative Commons. This one has 1.3 million views. This one is 1.1 million views. This is 500,000 views. And this is 22,000 views. And the list continues. So what you need to do is go on and select any of these ones you like. This is 1.9 million views. Select the one you like. To further confirm that this video is Creative Commons, all you need is open the video and click on more. If you look at this, you are going to see it says license, Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. So you can actually go on to download this video and every other video on this list here. So guys, you can go on right now and download this video, and then you're ready to start making money. This is definitely an easy thing to do, and I'm sure you can do it. You need to get an external app that will help you download the video, and you're ready to start earning in dollars, doing almost nothing. Now that you've seen these Creative Commons videos and you are ready to make money, I want to share a quick tip that will help you do it the right way so you make money non-stop. When you download these videos, I will advise not to re-upload them just like that. Go on to tweak it, edit the video, add some things of your own. This will further make it really valuable and outstanding from whatever that person is using. Now, as a rule, you are required to acknowledge the original owner of this video, either in the video itself or in the description of the video while uploading it. It is called retribution. Finally, the secret website I promised you. This website helps you find Creative Commons videos you can use, reuse, and share from different platforms. This website shows you collection of Creative Commons, whether you're looking for it in a video format, on YouTube, on Google. So it gives you access to all Creative Commons you can find on the internet. It's amazing. So look at it here. It says find content you can share, use, and remix. The name of this website is called Creative Commons. Just search search.creativecommons.org. Link is in the description of this video. So once you open it, you come over here, you will see those places where you can find this Creative Commons, guys. All you need is come over here and select the platform you want and then type the keyword. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the platform and show you Creative Commons on that platform. Go on, download it, handle it the way it ought to be handled, and you are ready to start making money. Okay, here are quick tips you need to put into consideration if you want your content to be outstanding and make you a lot of money and still not have issues with copyright later on in life. First one is to tweak the video. Don't download it and re-upload it just like that, because so many people might be doing something. So you want your content to be outstanding, and to do this, all you need is when you download this video, go on to edit it, add a couple of things, add more value to this in any form or shape you can think of to make it very outstanding and unique from other people's content. To make sure you earn hundreds of dollars every month from this, I'll advise you first of all, do a quick research. Find out niches that have a lot of Creative Commons with millions of views. So when you eventually start, you won't run out of content and you are sure of getting views from those videos. Sometimes when you get these videos, they are already reused. That means where you got the video from is not even the original content. This website called Creative Commons will help you find the original creator, so you acknowledge the right person in your video. If you follow this guide and do it the right way, you earn hundreds of dollars every single month without doing much work. I hope you got value from this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, and share it with your family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye.